Hi there, in today's video I am sharing with you 6 Crock-Pot side dishes. I love using my Crock-Pot to do a side dish. They are so easy and yummy and convenient to keep your sides warm while you're making the main course of your meal. So let me share with you these 6 Crock-Pot side dishes. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing with you all my recipes. So let me show you these side dishes. I am making some green beans in the Crock-Pot. So I have my green beans ready to go. I have 1 cup of chicken broth that I'll add onto the bottom. I have my seasonings. I'm going to do a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add a little bit more, a little bit less. You can also do some salt and pepper if you'd like. Gonna give this a little stir, and I have some cooked bacon, and this is gonna make this so delicious. So I'm just going to cut up the bacon with my kitchen scissors, or you can chop it up with a knife as well into some smaller pieces. But bacon with veggies is such an awesome combo. So I'm going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours. You can do low as well for 6 to 7 hours. These come out so great. I just absolutely love these kinds of green beans. Really delicious and so easy also. I'm going to be doing some cauliflower and broccoli. This one is so easy and it's just a really big hit. So I have my cauliflower, broccoli, garlic powder. This is my favorite seasoning for veggies. It's a it's a Parmesan pepper seasoning by Kinder's. I'm just going to give this a toss with the seasonings. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of butter, just little slices on top. And this is super easy. I'm going to cook this on high for 2 to 3 hours, and I'm going to stir it about every hour. And once it's done, I'm going to top it with some shredded Parmesan cheese. That just makes these so good. So these are so easy and just a huge hit with the kids and the adults in our family. So I'm going to do some carrots. We love carrots as snacks and as a veggie side, and this is really delicious, this one. I have some golden monk fruit sweetener. You can use regular brown sugar if you would like. I am using a 1/4 cup, and I just used 1 bag of baby carrots. And I'm gonna pour over this brown sugar, and I'm going to add in some butter as well, about a 1/4 cup of butter on top of this one. Super easy, 3 ingredients, does not get any easier than this, and these come out so good. They're nice and sweet with the brown sugar, and they cook really good, nice and soft as well. I'm gonna cook them on high for about 3 hours, and you can stir them about every hour or so just to toss them around in this yummy brown sugar butter, and this doesn't get any better than this. I'm going to do some mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. They make a huge batch. So I have 5 pounds of potatoes. I have 1 cup of chicken broth. These are really easy and a really good crowd pleaser if you're serving a crowd, because this is a really big serving. So I have 1/4 cup of butter. I have some garlic powder. I'm gonna cook these on low for about 7 hours. You can stir it occasionally every few hours, but I am just gonna let these cook all day, and they're so nice and soft now. I have 1/2 cup of sour cream, and I have 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. And these are gonna come out so nice and creamy using my immersion blender. So I'm just gonna stick this in and just mash these potatoes. They come out so nice and smooth and just really yummy. Such an awesome side dish, perfect for the holidays as well, and it's really easy. So I'm gonna do some broccoli, and this one's gonna be topped with stuffing. So I have my broccoli, I have garlic powder, I have my cracked Parmesan seasoning that I love, and I have a can of cream of chicken soup. I'm gonna add this can of cream of chicken soup, a nice little layer over the broccoli. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit over this broccoli, just as much as I can. And I'm going to now add on some stuffing, and I love stuffing. It is just so great, and I don't eat it enough, usually just around the holidays. So I am loving adding this to vegetables. I'm adding in 1 cup of hot water into the stuffing mix. Gonna give this a little stir to mix all these breadcrumbs around. I will add them on top, or add this stuffing on top of the broccoli. And this is such a great side dish. Absolutely love this one, and it's so easy. So now that everything's in the crock pot, I'm adding on a paper towel under my lid. So this will catch all the condensation, and it'll keep these breadcrumbs nice and firm and a little bit crunchy, but they will not be soggy. So it collected all that water condensation, and this just comes out so good. Absolutely love this one. It is a really great side dish for any time of year. Great side dish with a chicken dish or with some tri-tip or steak. Really good. I'm going to make some macaroni and cheese, which is a huge hit in my family. My kids just love macaroni and cheese. I have my elbow noodles, a whole box. I am using a brick of cream cheese. I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have a can of evaporated milk, and this gives it a really good, a little bit of a sweetness to the flavor, but so good. I have 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, which I shredded the cheese myself. You can buy the store-bought shredded cheese, but I just feel that this one melts a little bit easier and smoother for this macaroni and cheese side dish. So really great if you've got some kids in your household and you want to have some recipes for them as well. So I'm gonna cook this on high for 4 hours and stir it about every 1 to 2 hours to give it a little stir. So delicious. I hope that you loved these side dishes that you can cook in your crock pot. They're all super easy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you love crock pot recipes as much as I do, I have tons of crock pot videos for you. Hope that you have a really great day, and I'll see you next time.